So how did you feel? Thanks for indulging me a bit. I really wanted to paint a picture of how it must feel for English language learners to step foot in our classrooms on the first day and subsequent days until they really can become masters of the language. So, why is it so difficult to learn vocabulary in your non-native tongue? The book talks about four major reasons as to why these difficulties exist. So, first, there is less opportunity to learn in everyday contexts and across multiple encounters. If you are not in a routine situation and speaking the language that is native to that area, you are not going to learn it quickly. You have to immerse yourself in the language and the dialect that is appropriate at that location. Secondly, the volume of unique words to learn. Let's think about that. When I spoke to you in Spanish, one of the things I was saying is, how can I possibly learn English with the millions upon millions of words that exist, all having different spellings, having multiple meanings? Just think about the sheer volume of words that need to be learned for a specific area. What we in Pennsylvania may know, such as, let's say, shoe fly pie, someone in California may have never heard that. Now imagine if you're going to an entirely different country. Next, there is less of an opportunity to learn academic vocabulary. You really have to explicitly teach academic vocabulary, and it's very hard to learn that academic vocabulary when you're still trying to master just the everyday routine vocabulary. And lastly, you don't have that same depth of knowledge that you would have in your native tongue. You may know on the surface that this is a container, but in English, you don't know how to say the word container. Maybe in Spanish, this is a box. Maybe it's called food storage. You don't know, but container, or Tupperware, as we sometimes say in the United States, is very different than what people in Spain may call this.